Hi everyone, my name is Jacqueline and currently I am outside on my porch in beautiful Halifax, Nova Scotia. When thinking about community expression or sharing with those in my surrounding neighborhoods, I think it's important to give back with acts of kindness. Since COVID-19, it seems now more than ever we really have to find ways to be a part of a community in our neighborhoods and also share that positivity when there is a lot going on that feels rather negative. In between takes, I took off my glasses and not only did it get darker outside, but an ambulance appeared, so I just my luck today trying to film this video. Speaking of positivity, that is actually why I decided to film outdoors rather than inside today. Before I visit these members of my community, I'm actually going to walk through the process and rationale that I had behind deciding to do baked goods instead of painting rocks. So this outdoor clip has been pre-recorded. I have delivered the baked goods already, and I did run into some complications where the people who I selected and consented to being in videos weren't actually home, so I had to leave some goodies on doorsteps. But for the individuals who were at home, I got some videos of them while we social distanced outside 6 feet apart, and they got to enjoy some peanut butter cookies.
What's up, Shane? Look what Jacqueline did for me. Look at that. That's so sweet.
Just really hoping that the wasps don't get me.
I know, I feel the same way.
Thank you. They're noted.
Hi.
After reflecting about delivering the baked goods to my neighborhood's, households, I feel like this was a successful attempt at practicing social distancing while also being engaged with, my community members. For instance, I went over and I talked to a couple of friends who live around the block from me, and within a 10-minute period of just delivering these baked goods, I learned about some struggles that were happening in their own households during this very unprecedented time. So isolated. This community practice really turned out to be a way of seeing that other people are going through struggles almost similar to ours, or even crazier than you could have anticipated. Everyone that received them were very, grateful. It was just a positive visit overall. I would highly recommend trying this if you want to attempt baking. I don't know. Hope everyone's enjoying the sunshine, and thanks for watching!